quick video today. I've been shopping on eBay, I've sold some dolls and now I've brought another doll. And I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I've just received it from the post and I want to unbox it in front of you because I'm very excited about it. So here it is. There it is, all wrapped up for me. And I'm going to unbox it. I'm very excited. I won't tell you what it is, but you can see on the title anyway. So I'll just have a quick look. Just undo this now. Yay! Here he is, Willie Talk, another ventriloquist dummy. You are superb. Just going to go with the other one. Hey, how good are you? Willie Talk, the ventriloquist dummy. There it is. Now, he's so good. That's so nice. I'm very happy with that. Okay, that's the unboxing of Willie Talk. I'll show you the other ones now because I'll just do the ventriloquist dummies. And yeah, I love collecting these things. So I got them off eBay. I won the bid. Or actually I bid and the lady let me have it for the price I bid for. So there you go. So if you are watching this, thank you. It's so good. All right, I'll show you my other ones together. And yeah, a quick video. But then we just put the other ones together. Okay, so there they are. So we'll start off with... I think... Oh, now I've forgotten his name again already. Anyway, that's my first one. That's the one I've just got. That's Archie somebody, that little one. And then there's Willie Talk, the other one. And there's the other one I've got as well. I thought it was a Charlie McCarthy, but he's actually called Kenny Talk. So that's Kenny Talk. My Willie Talk. It's good because he's actually got different colour eyes. Oh, I better keep my camera still, sorry. He's got different colour eyes to the other one that I've just brought. So the other one's got darker eyes there. Yeah. Yeah, oh, I can't remember his name. Anyway, there you go. My strange collection. And then they will go back in the cabinet. Like I said, I've got all those. Look at them ones. I didn't know where to put those other ones. Remember, I got those ones before. All right, well, anyway, that was the unboxing of my little ventriloquist dummy. I better stop there anyway. Well, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Thanks.